You guys saw what the piston looks like. So let's get this thing out of here and tear it apart and see how far it goes. Let me know what you guys think I should do with this build. Right now I'm kind of just on a OEM Plus type build. Maybe a restyle, don't know yet. I'll do some Instagram polls to get some ideas, like which exhaust to run. I got a full bills and a full pro circuit. What kind of graphics I should do, you know, that kind of stuff. Thankfully someone made it easy for me and took out this bottom bolt. Makes it that much quicker. We have stuck bolt numero uno. Well, that's actually going. Let's see. Oh yeah. Time for the big hog that everybody hates. That's cooked. But we are not cavemen. We have technology. All right. Oh, that's too small. Before we pull it out, should we see how this thing looks? Oh, it was loose. Relatively new, it looks like. Okay. Let's just pull this head off here and see what we're working with. Better. Oh, one pop. Nice. Oh boy. Can you guys see in there? Jesus. Give her some persuasion. Oh. Oh my. Oh. Look at that side. And look at that side. Oh my God. Swapped all the power valve parts out in this dead cylinder. Woo! A little more scrubbing to do, but not bad for free. Okay. And it does have a Hinson clutch. One of these ain't like the others. notched up kind of good.